prop-up price action today in the stock indexes from 12:30 on. I'm going to go over that. I want to look at bonds. Interesting price action in the bonds. Sharp sell-off in bonds means higher rates. This is the U.S. 30-year Treasury bonds. Soybeans is down. We have crude oil down. Surprisingly, I thought these markets would move higher. And extremely deflationary, extremely recessionary, I guess, in price action. What's also extreme is this drop-off in the euro, and fiat currencies are becoming less and less valuable. It does make sense that they would all gravitate towards the world's reserve currency, which is the U.S. dollar first, and all these fiat currencies would drop in massive value against the U.S. dollar, and then the U.S. dollar would lose value as well. Probably be the last one to drop, and so pretty scary price action in the currency. So taking a look at that, that's a framework for the stock indexes and what the stock index could be looking at. Let's go over the trades on the day. These are hypothetical trading systems results. And so what we're looking at here on the 200K portfolio is about minus 2,400 on the day. And we had about, I guess, minus 600. These are hypotheticals. We didn't take the trades today. And so those are the results for the 200K and the 50K hypothetical, not live results. And we're going to go over the trading system signals. What's interesting is this price action here. At the end of the day, you see that in the NASDAQ and the S&P. Just this spike up. And then right around 5 minutes before the market closes, then it finally sells off. And so it's just propped up all day, and then it rolls over. You can see it here on a 1-minute chart. In the NASDAQ, it takes out these lows. On the S&P, it doesn't take out the prop-up lows of the day. And so on the S&P, you have Cobra 3, plus 720 on 12 micros. SR Counter Trend 2, minus 960. SR Counter Trend V2, 2V2M, 1M, minus 840, took a short trade as well. And then momentum reversal, all this propping up created a reversal trade, which was then stopped out because there was no follow through, minus 465. And then minus 960, trading 60-minute breakout short, just constantly trying to short this short. And then the long trade hit the profit target, short stopped out, short stopped out. And so just constant bounces against the short side, very difficult to short the market for an unbelievable amount of time, in my opinion. The length of this prop up is just extreme, especially considering higher prices and higher interest rates, lower bond prices, currency prices against the U.S. dollar are a big shift. And so let's get EVP1 down on the day. At the end of the day, there was a profitable short trade. Tick wave, here it is. Here's that price action I'm talking about. This spike, and then 5 minutes before the close, it finally comes down and takes out these lows. But overall, just a prop-up day in the afternoon. The market rallied, rolled over, and then just propped up. And so just that bounce off the 1230 lows. And so I would anticipate gap down, selling tonight, and a gap down tomorrow. That's what I anticipate. Anything could happen, though, so should be interesting to see. And let's look at Cobra 3. Took the short trade, but just a small gain here around break even. Once again, you see how as soon as we get out, then it moves in our direction, but still not in a big way. And then the momentum reversal tried to take 2 long trades that were stopped out. The prop ups created a long trade. So just this unnatural price action to continue to prop this market up continues to just create unnecessary chop and a distortion in where the price should be. VTNQ got short right around break even on the day. SR counter trends were down on the day. And so just a choppy prop up day, tick pullback. This prop up made created a rally in the market and got long, and then closed the day down on the day. So once again, these are the hypothetical trading system signals, and we didn't take these results today. We're taking a research break, and this chop is pretty hard to trade. And so it's good to be out while it's going through this chop right now. And we're waiting for resolution in the market or a pattern in this chop. It's kind of hard to It's kind of hard when you look at this price action to see much of a pattern. It's pretty wild and random, and trends, they move, and so if they move at different angles, but they're still trends, and so you can jump on and catch them. But when it's chop, it can chop in many different ways, and so it's not easy to capture chop. So those are the trades on the day for Monday, September 26, 2020.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.